you guys can guess what's happened here. Yes, it sure looks like the old Drain Plug Mafia has been back at it again. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions down here at the ramp. And today we are visiting Boynton, and it definitely appears the Drain Plug Mafia got this guy good. And our cab's approaching. We already have somebody off, but he appears to be in reverse. I'm not sure if Captain realizes that. Oh, no, he's giving it a little bit of gas. I don't think he realizes he's in reverse. There we go. But now he's kind of he's all kinds of out of sorts here. I mean, you're at a spot here, buddy, where you just need to put this one in neutral and let your man pull you into the dock. Whoa, whoa, Cap. And he is all over the throttle. Man, just neutral it up, buddy, and call this one a day. Let your man do his job and pull you in. And this is not a good approach angle by any stretch here. Our cab's being a little leery. I'm not sure if this is a new captain or something just feels a little off here, that's for sure. But he's definitely not got a good approach angle. Even this is a very poor approach angle because he's going to turn this, and the stern of the boat's going to turn in toward that green boat. Oh, no. Up. Now he's getting handsy on the throttle. That's not what we want to be doing around the dock. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, now we're heading toward the other boat as well. Oh. Oh, my gosh. Can you imagine this guy? Look at the guy backing the trailer down here. I mean, that's his boat they just hit. Looking at this from your truck, thinking, oh, geez. And our cap's going to, I guess, have to back out. I mean, he's close enough here. Maybe I'd just start tossing lines to the dock and pray somebody grabbed him. Our cap's going to back out, take another approach at this one, though. Not going to lie, the first minute or so of this one was a little bit heart racy. I mean, this one's kind of rough to watch. So our cap's going to make another approach here. It still has a fairly poor approach angle. Yeah, this one's not going to end well either, probably. You're going to have to reapproach this one. Oh! You got to be careful. When somebody's on the bow of the boat like that, he could have tossed her. I mean, he needs to just reset. Back out of this. Just calm down for a few seconds. Reset this one up, bud. And here we go, but he's still got just a... Maybe he's thinking he wants to switch to this other dock, but I'm telling you now, with the rocks over there and the way you're going, man, you really don't want to be over there either. So here we go. He's going to go in for another attempt on this one. Coming in a little hot, though. Definitely a little hotter than I'd like to see him come in. He's kind of backing off, but once again, he's just got that stern at the wrong angle. He's heading straight toward this green boat again. He's going to have to back out hard to avoid hitting this boat. I mean, that's a lucky back out right there. I thought for sure we were going into the boat right there. There was just no way in my mind we were missing that green boat. But Cap, you've backed out too hard. Once again, he's really handsy on the throttle. Definitely has to be a new boater. And we all were there. I mean, if you're a boater right now, you got to remember that first time you went to put this thing on the dock, it probably wasn't the prettiest scene either. Let's see how this one will go. Will we get some success here? Well, we've got somebody off on the dock. Now, really, you just need to give this a bump of forward gear, but not with it turned like that. Because he's turned like that, he's turning back into the green boat. There we go. We've gotten it straightened out. But remember, you turn from the stern, and now you're going to turn the rear of this into that green boat again as well. I mean, at least he's getting the push off, but man, you can't do that. So this guy's already off the dock, the guy in the green boat, and they just pushed him off his line, basically, as he was trying to approach the trailer. That's one of the last things you want to do is try and push off a boat when they're already off the dock. I mean, these guys have it in. It's not been pretty. I mean, this was a rough one to watch, and I got a feeling this pullout's not going to be any better when we're getting the trailer down here and it's time to get this thing out of the water. And as predicted, the pullout has not gone smooth. We're about 7 to 8 minutes in right now to them attempting to get this boat out. I really do need to start another channel. It's just a B-roll channel because some of these incidents like this probably would intrigue some of you guys enough to want to watch it. but it's just not gonna, they're too long to make the highlight reel of these videos. So in other words, I can't put a 12-minute clip of here of these guys messing around with this boat trying to get it out of the water. While many of you would probably enjoy it, but it's just not enough to make the highlight reel on this video. So I've got to keep it a little shorter than that. But comment below if you guys think you'd be interested in a channel like that. I've literally got hundreds of clips of people struggling here at the ramp that either were just too long and weren't going to correlate into the highlight reel. So right here, these guys, this is about the 6th time they pulled out. You can tell by looking, the boat's still crooked, but they were refusing basically to take this off the trailer to try and fix it. And based on what you saw with their approach at the ramp, you kind of understand the hesitation as to why they didn't really want to back it off the trailer, because they didn't want to have to reapproach any of this. So looks like they're going to pull it out this time, because this is the furthest we've seen them pull it out, and it's a little straighter than when we started. It was pretty rough at the beginning, but I mean, he's still pretty far off. I mean, we're not really even close to having this thing straight on the trailer. I mean, he'd probably need to back it a little deeper down and see if they could fix it that way, but I still think the only way they were getting this straightened was to pull it off the trailer. They did try backing it down and pulling the rear of the boat over, and it just was not coming the way they want. Yeah, there's no way that one's working either, buddy. The boat's too big and you're too small. But, you know, I mean, man, we all had to learn some way. So, you know what? This crew's probably learned a lesson. Their next attempt at boating is going to be significantly better. And more power to them and good luck on this one, guys. Welcome to boating. And we've got these guys down here. I don't know why they don't have the tailgate popped. I mean, that would just make this a little easier for them to get this trailer back down the ramp. Oh, whoa! So this is the line of people waiting to get onto docks. And my man here has just skipped the entire line. All 3 or 4 boats that are sitting there, he said, forget you guys, I am going. Words don't describe what I really want to call this guy right here, but you know what? I'm going to give him a little bit of the benefit of the doubt. There's a couple things obviously going on when I look at this boat. One, this is a professional captain. He is working right now. And so he's done his day of work, and he wants to get the heck off the water. The other 4 or 5 boats that were sitting over here were kind of lollygagging. There's open ramps, and nobody was really approaching him. So he decided he's just going to skip around them and get the heck out of there. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comments below, guys. Was what he did appropriate, or did he need to wait even though these guys were lollygagging? You know what? And speaking of trying to get out of here with the quickness, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps down here at Boynton Beach. If you did, be sure to check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us a bunch of great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we have Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.